Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you get latest iOS 26 control center in your iPhone or iPad. So simply guys, you may check this is latest iOS 26 control center. So if this is not showing or working in your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget, so how can you enable this? So simply you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After that guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. After that, here's the option of general. So you may click here and click on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 26 version. Then guys, you may go back, and here is the option of control center. So you may click here on control center. So let's check. You may scroll it down, and here you may click here on control center, and here you may turn this on from here. After that, you may go back and you may just restart your device, and then you may click here, and then you may check that your latest control center is available here and show here, and this is transparent and you can use it from here easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.